Welcome to the Autel Training Academy. I'm John Amato. Today we're going to talk about an exciting accessory package for use with our BT608 battery and charging system tester. Included in the package are accessory leads for the BT608's built-in multimeter, as well as amp clamps so that you can test electrical circuits and current. Here's how they connect to the BT608. Let's start with the amp clamp. We're going to use the amp clamp to measure current draw during a charging system load test. Here's how you can use the accessory multimeter leads for circuit testing. We'll attach the probes and choose the multimeter software on the BT608. You can test AC and DC voltage, resistance, AC and DC current, diodes, and continuity. For more information about Autel diagnostic tools and accessories, contact your local dealer or visit us at autel.com.